Hey guys, sorry for the broken voice here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn the emails of your leads into LinkedIn URLs thanks to reverse contact. So, if you're not familiar with reverse contact, this is basically a tool to turn your emails into a lot of data. You can also find email addresses with them, but here we're going to really focus on the fact that you can turn email addresses into LinkedIn URLs because we have a lot of prospects and customers where they have like a list of leads. They only have the email, but they also want to prospect these people on LinkedIn. But they usually, it's like very hard to find the LinkedIn URL, and it's a very much a manual work. And with this type of software, you can do it automatically or manually or in bulk, but very rapidly. So this is how the setup works. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the App Store and you're going to type reverse contact, and we have it. And you're going to click on install. Then it will ask you for your API key. So you're going to go to reverse contact and you're going to head over to API access. And once you are in that section, you have your API key right there, and you're just gonna like paste it into breakcold. And now that's it. This is the setup that is done. So now let me show you a couple of use cases that you can do with this integration. All right, so the first use case is that when you are inside a lead on breakcold, or when you are inside a lead on the breakcoldcrm extension, you have this little button to find the LinkedIn URL of the person if you don't have it already. And so in just one click, you can start the enrichment so that reverse contact can look at if there's like a LinkedIn URL from the email address that you have. In my memories, they are able also to find the LinkedIn URL from a personal Gmail address, which is like crazy. Obviously, it's a tricky thing, so it's not working a lot for personal email addresses, but still, like half of the time, you can find the LinkedIn URL from like the most scrappy Gmail addresses ever. So that is the first use case, very useful. The second use case is that you see, it's not instant, by the way, like this is kind of like an enrichment in progress. But yeah, so, and then you can do it in bulk. So you can like select multiple leads and then from there, like enrich in bulk with the LinkedIn URL using reverse contact. So this is one way in how you can do it, which to me is like the most powerful way, because if you import like a CSV file and with lots of like missing LinkedIn URLs, this is like a way to do it. Then what you can do is that, and that would be the final step, is that you can create automation rules. So if you go to the settings and then you go over to enrichment section, if you click on automation rules, you can create like powerful workflows without having to use like Zapier, Make, whatever. So in just one click, you can say, okay, when there's a new lead in that specific list, which here, let's say it's a sign up list, I want to automatically enrich with the LinkedIn URL. And you can go even further and you can say, and automatically it will like skip the leads who already have a LinkedIn URL and only focus on the leads that do not have a LinkedIn URL. So with this workflow, you can save so much time essentially, instead of like going to Google, type the name of the person and making sure it's really them, and then trying to match a lot of data. Here you can do it automatically and save so much time. So yeah, that's pretty much about it when it comes to the integration with reverse contact. Right now, we are collecting LinkedIn data. So as you can see, like here it's the LinkedIn URL, but actually there's more data to it, because if we go to the website of like reverse contact, as you can see, it finds much more than just the LinkedIn URL. It finds like the role title, the number of followers sometimes, and a lot more data that you will also have along the way inside this integration. So that's it for me. Thank you very much, guys. Cheers. Bye.